Junkfoodtaster.com and here we go, my blue friends. It's time for a little food video, and I've got 6 products here, and I will make myself a nice oven dish basically. So here comes the steel plate for the oven, and so we go through the products. And first I show new products, so I decided for fish. So this is coated fish, and I've got 2 different flavors. This is fried fish, baking. Alrighty, and here's the second one, and this coating, it says is thin. Alright, what's the difference between these? Anyways, it looks very different. Oh, this is a lot. Anyways, then I have this donuts. These are cheese donuts. Look at this. Let's unbox some. And I need to hurry up because the rest, of course, needs to go back into the freezer. So how many? I think 4 should be enough. Then I got more actually. What did I? So, misinformation. Yeah, I recalled that I have this vegetable nuggets, but no, I just bought these, and these are sweet potato sticks. Never eaten before. Let's see how cool this will be. Maybe also 4. And so then I have this onion rings, my favorite product. Unfortunately, sold out in every supermarket. I go to the supermarket and buy everything basically, and then it's sold out. I don't know why. Have you ever been to a supermarket just to buy a specific product? Let me know. And French fries, of course. Here, main attraction or main garnish. Here we go. And these are like the big ones. These are the best for the oven. I tested lots of different. So I put everything back into the freezer, and then I line it up in orderly fashion, put it in the oven, and eat it, and rate it and stuff. Alrighty, I put it in the freezer. Let's close everything. So, putting orderly fashion, very important. It makes a nice thumbnail when things are orderly. Alrighty, so it doesn't get any more orderly than this. Here we go. Well, it looks quite promising. And basically I just let it heat up in the oven until one of these donuts breaks. So, here we go. So, see you later, food. Alrighty, one of these donuts just exploded. Let's have a look. So the steam, alrighty. So I turned down the heat. Now I switch to light. Here we go. And now we have a little look. So it's blood in the middle and the fat boils. The other stuff looks quite okay. This fish looks still super pale, but it must be finished. Here only on my channel. Exploded donut bubbling. So I let it chill a little bit, and then I start a taste test, and tell you. Oh, here some fat, and tell you how it tastes like. Alrighty, so here we go. It's time for the taste test, and let's cut one of these donuts. I always cut stuff. The donut is the best shape, isn't it? Aha, and there's little holes in the middle. Can you see him? Okay, and now the fish. How much is the fish? So this is fish product. I always have to think to myself, how much fish is it actually and how much coating. Yeah. But this seems to actually be some fish. Okay. This is actually my lunch. I don't necessarily have bought this for the review. And I'm interested in this type of frozen food products here, like this, privately myself. Okay. So, taste test, do not. So it's nice. If this type of cheese has a very distinguished taste, a little bit adult. With a strong cheese, now in this crunchy coating. Oh, it's kind of cool. Yeah, also a little bit fatty. Yeah, and yeah, it's cool. You can like have a smaller serving size. Normally, I remember this type of cheese for the frozen cheese for the oven, Camembert, was in discs, and you can have something smaller than a disc. Okay, next thing, fish. Let's eat this one first. I ask myself whether this is finished, but I hope is this finished? Give me a second. So, I'm just turning around the fish. Hard to tell here. This looks a little bit raw, doesn't it? Let's cut the other one. This looks perfect white. Maybe it's the fish, maybe the fish is pink. Anyways, taste test. Here it is on fair. Tastes very normal. Maybe the coating was isolating and the heat was not getting through that good. Like super average. Fatty. Now this one here, this is lemon. Okay. Okay. Alright, so I have to say I don't actually like this products too much. And there are other fish products, like a square fish brick with a topping, which I like far more than these coated things here. Well, anyways, so yeah. Life goes on. We still got a product we don't know yet. I like that the lemon is already incorporated, so you don't have to put lemon on yourself. So, sweet potato sticks. Okay. Yeah, cool. Oopsie. Reminds me totally on this vegetable nugget. Okay. So now my beloved onion rings. This is McCain. It's called McCain. I forgot. And then a special name. Yeah, French fries. I have to hurry up. The French fries are getting bad. You don't have the French fries. You don't wait too long. No. We have a lot of potato inside here. Yes, this is awesome food here. Get some ketchup. Yeah, right here. Sauce. Yeah, I buy it again and again. Flying duck? No, what is this called? The chili mayonnaise sauce. And the other thing I use, I think a lot of you will use, is Heinz tomato ketchup. Just put it everywhere a little bit. Okay. Yeah, this is flavor experience. Okay, the logbook. I eat this up in private. Okie dokie, so here we go, logbook time. I'm a little bit tired right now. Anyways. So, this is a win, it's a nice product. Then I also like this sweet potato sticks. And the fish, I don't know what's wrong. Sehr cooler fish product than this. Okay, so see you on Wednesday, my beautiful